The heart searches for those leisurely nights and days, where it can dwell upon thoughts of the beloved. You question every word I say. Tell me, what is the style of conversation? There will be no shortage of those who love, but in your gathering, I will not be present. It has been ages since Ghalib passed away, but I remember his way of saying on every matter, what if it had been this way? Love or madness, it doesn't matter to me, I am certain that they will come. On the day of judgment, I will witness your punishment. Ghalib, where are you now, O guest of this world? I know the reality of paradise, but, to keep the heart content, Ghalib, this thought is good. Yesterday was the night of the 14th moon. Your fame spread all night. What should I say, and what should I not say? I wanted to talk about love. When there was nothing, God existed. If there had been nothing, God would have existed. Existence has drowned me. If I didn't exist, what would have happened? The world is like a child's plaything before me. Day and night, the spectacle unfolds before me.